guys? We're back and we're going to the car wash. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to car wash with just $3. Let's get it. Spray it, guys, spray it. So that's how you freaking car wash with $3. So next, all you need is 2 or 3 microfibers. One for wet, one for dry, one for wax. Let's get it. $3 car wash, you know? Easy. Shine. Alright guys, I just showed you the hacks to have a nice clean car ASAP. Of course you can do it faster and like cleaner, you know? You don't have to do it in a rush like that, but it's a quick way. But I'll see you guys. Cheers. Alright, this guy is gonna drive the Subaru. This guy's already on neutral. Fasten your seatbelts. Alright, put your seatbelts on because you don't know what's gonna happen. So tell me about yourself.
It's Raptors Day! We the North!
We didn't know. Jeez!
Let me go close. We the North! We the North!
Okay, so my dad wanted to take a photo with his We the North and his red thing. He's like showing me what. This is how you take the shots. And he's gonna take a shot. Take the shot. So I'm gonna take a shot for him. Portrait?
No! Landscape.
Okay, my turn. My turn! I'll show you how he does the photos, okay? It's like a ceremony. Alright, we're not shooting a wedding, but there's a wedding ceremony over there. Sliding. Relax. Tumita mo to. Go. Okay, we're gonna replace that red thing with this black thing. This is Jason's thing. He's gonna try that out. Alright, he's gonna make me try it.
Are you stealing?
Jason's car.
Ooh, he's stealing. Now there's a car, so wait for it. Watch the speed bumps, okay?
I'm not gonna wreck it.
To the right, to the right. Yeah, it sounds loud. That's it.
Oh, this is sick.
Straight. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. So right now we're just heading to the Bluffs.
Bluffs is a place where you can just chill, bring your girl, smoke some kush. No,
Wow, how many girls have you brought there, huh?
just April. Okay, look.
Book us now for your wedding. His reaction for the wedding. Why didn't they put the status?
We got the hot boy status intake. Holy moly. Plus 5,000. What's your car?
My car is a 2013 Scion TC. It's stock. What I did to it was it's a hatchback, so that means that there's 30%, 20, and then 20 in the back. We got some winter tires on still. That kind of sucks, but you know what? Whatever. At least it's new. We got the MagnaFlow over here, bomb over here.
Hey.
Yeah, we got the engine intake, bro. And then next thing you know,
Who installed it for you?
yo, Tyler and Sean, man, my mechanics. And then we got the Dyson iBuck over here as a gift from this guy. But don't watch the trunk, okay? That's
Yo, when it's in, it's gonna look fucking sick, man. The car's coming together still, and I know she's bare happy, bro. She didn't stop going fast the entire way. The whole way, she was just fucking ripping it.
he doesn't want to spend on his car because his car is expensive.
It's too expensive. That's why I'm trying to mod her car because it's a lot cheaper.
Trust, yeah.
I'm trying to live it through her cars.
All right, that's what you get from Sean. All right, after Sean, we're gonna go with Tyler. Tyler, let's see let's see your baby, bro.
Mine?
Let's see your baby.
What happened to the Miley?
Miley? Yeah, I kind of got rid of her.
What's Miley?
I have no
She was my... What was she?
She was my side ting.
Yeah, she was my side thing. And then I had to
Jeez,
get
look
her.
at this sick car, bro.
Yeah, right now she's kind of dirty and, you know, she needs a paint job, but this is her right here. Her name's Maya.
Maya. Ooh.
5 liter, Fox body.
That's gonna be a sexy one.
Yeah, right now she's not in her best shape, but soon come when the funds are
You
nice.
guys are not ready. You guys are not ready for this.
Yeah, you know, I had to go old school. I like the
Us-
old school.
Old school dope, bro.
Yeah, man.
Follow him at Instagram.
Oh, my Instagram?
Right here.
I don't even know my Instagram. Sorry.
His Instagram's gonna be right
The
here.
answer is right
Instagram.
here.
Right
Yeah,
here.
whatever it is.
In the comment,
Yo, Sean, what do you have here, Sean?
I got my Instagram right here.
Right here. Sean got his, you know.
You already know me. You got my shit boxes 2000. You know,
Jeez.
it's coming a long way. Just got it back from the shop, bro. No front plate, cause fuck the police, bro.
Jeez.
What's the specs, man? What's the specs?
You know, 10 horsepower. It's not that fast. No, Angela actually, like, she gapped me for a second. But she was in second, I was in third. She gapped me and I'm like, what the fuck?
He's gonna take it.
I'm like, I was like,
Yes. Hot boys.
no, it feels like a new car, right? Yeah, it feels like a
new
totally
car,
new
man.
car.